Hi guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is leighonstyle. So once again, KINDERBEAUTY knocks to my door. So I'm here to show you their October box, which they call Your Highness box. So if you're not familiar with the KINDERBEAUTY, this is a subscription box. So each month you'll get up to 165 worth of vegan, cruelty-free, and clean beauty. It includes 5 products from top ethical and clean beauty brands, a mix of both full size and travel size, of skincare, makeup, body care, hair care, and a lot more. So I want to show you their beauty box. Here it is. So they sent me their October box, so thank you so much. So once you open it, this is the box. It includes this what do you call this? This is what you get in your October box, and of course it includes what different kind of skincare products you get, and their description. Okay, so let me show you one by one what I have. First, we do have this Fleur and B Prince Charcoal Detox Clay Masks. So ayan siya. So let's open it so you can see. That's how it looks like. Let's see. Oh, it has like a very light scent. It dries quickly, so it absorbs your skin very quick. So when it comes to mask, I think you have to leave it for maybe 20 to 30 minutes, something like that, and then you wash it. So it says this creamy charcoal mask packed with Nourish Active like bentonite, kaolin clay, reishi mushroom, and glycolic acid to soften, purify, and deliver a beautifully flawless complexion. So very nice and clean. So I can't wait to try this, and this value for $25 when you bought it separately. Ayan, so I think this will be a good mask in your nightly routine. Ayan. Okay. Next we have this what is this? This is a serum infused eye mask. So ayan, so this is for your eye, of course, so your under eye. So this serum infused eye mask specially formulated for a thin and sensitive skin under your eyes. This serum infused mask addresses fine lines and wrinkles, puffiness, and dry skin by delivering antioxidant and vitamins K, C, E, and D. It says bye bye dark circles, something like that. I think this will be good on me as well because I'm on my 40s, and you know, wrinkles, fine lines starting to, you know, show up. So this will help slower down the appearance of any eye wrinkles, ganyan. So this is really good, and again, cruelty free, 100% vegan, very very good to use. Okay, so next one we have this this is really cute. Okay, oh okay, this is a starter kit. Oh, okay, interesting packaging, very nice. This has a kind of tiny washcloth, and this is really soft. This is really nice to use on your face, and it has like, oh, what is this? I think this is a razor or something. Yeah, it has a razor. I don't know if you can use this to your eyebrows, I guess, and to remove some, you know, hair. This is what I use. I have this in a different brand. I used to remove some hairs on my face because I have a little tiny hair here, and sometimes I remove it, you know, so you will get a flawless look. So ayan, this is really cool. And what is this little tiny box? So I think this is an extra blade. Yep, you get an extra blade. So this is really cute, very nice, well packed, right? Okay, this is so cool. Pero nakakailangan itapon yung mga ganito, no? I am very much into packaging. I really like nice packaging kasi, you know, it catches your attention. Okay, so we got 2 more to go. So next we have the conditioning bar. This is the first time I heard a conditioning bar, no? This is the Kookaburra solid conditioner for normal hair. Ayan, so I think I have normal hair, so this is good for me as well. Okay, so this balancing conditioner bar craft with eucalyptus and lavender, coconut oil, and cocoa butter. Provide weightless, silicone-free nourishment and the smoothest finish for your look. So, I can't wait to use this, ano. Nakaka-intrigue. It's very intriguing how they create a conditioner bar. Usually, when we know it's a hair conditioner, it comes always in liquid. So, this one, and this one is a bar. So, it's amazing. It doesn't comes with a plastic anymore. Oh, smell like lavender. So, that's the conditioning bar. I'm curious how this gonna last with my long hair. I have very long hair. I hope it doesn't melt right away, you know. So for the last one, we have this travel size 3 ships, dewdrop, mushroom, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, serum. This is for your face kasi serum eh. Okay, let's see what it says. So this Dewdrop Mini is natural source of highly covered hyaluronic acid to replenish moisture deep in the skin. So pairing that with kakadu plum. Kakadu, what is kakadu plum? I know what plum is, but okay, very interesting. Which contains 100% more vitamin C than oranges. This highly serum is all around excellent for your skin. So it doesn't say if either you have dry, oily skin. I think this is good for any kind of skin type. So I will try this one. Maybe you can use it at night. Maybe you can use it in the morning. It didn't says in the description. So anyway, that's all we got. So we have 5 interesting skincare products. 4 actually, because one is a tool that you can use for your skincare routines. So there you have it, guys. This is all they have in their October box, which they call Your Highness box. Like I've said, this is a subscription box, so it depends when you're gonna subscribe. You'll receive the box for the month you signed up for. So you might not receive exactly what's in this box, but your box will still be filled with the best clean beauty. And if you signed up for the 6-month subscription, you'll get each box for only $23 each. Plus, you'll receive a free box worth of $138 in value. And of course, I have a special code that you can use, guys, which is 50 leighonstyle. I will put that on my description box. And this code is worth 50% off for your first beauty box. So once again, Kinder Beauty, thank you so much for sending me your October box. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to use this because I love skincare products. I always want to try what will be the best for my skin. Ayan. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Kindly hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!